Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Telegram with P2P and pay via credit or debit card. First, open your Telegram wallet, then select Add Crypto. Select P2P Market on the main screen to access the marketplace and choose the buy section. Use the filter at the top to sort ads based on your preference. Once you've filtered, relevant ads will appear in the center of the screen. Choose one that suits you and remember to check the seller's rating and read their ad details. Then enter the amount you want to buy, then tap on buy. Once you're done, tap on create folder, make a payment within 15 minutes using this card details, and once done, tap on confirm payment, enter the amount and paste the wallet user's card number. Tap on confirm payment, and after that you have received Toncoin and order successfully completed. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.